And I'm James Woods. That's kind of weird, bro. Alright. Yeah. Here he is.
Yeah.
He's coming. Here, Omar might show us some of his boxing moves. Let's see.
Let's see.
Boxing match.
It's pretty sure I'll win. It's pretty sure I'll win.
Somebody's cocky.
Sure he is.
Are you sure?
Yes, I win every fight.
Show us some boxing moves. Chug. Uh-oh, he's going to do it. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Yeah. He's going